following data is entered in a worksheet. To find TA, we'll first select cell C2. Enter the formula as is equal to if bracket open V2 less than 23,000, 1,500, if bracket open V2 less than 25,000, 1,800, 2,000 bracket close and press enter. Then drag cell C2 up to C6 by using fill handle. Consider the following spreadsheet which shows the marks obtained by 6 students in an exam. Write steps to obtain the average where average is of best of 5 subjects for each student. The result is pass if average is 50 or more than 50 and fail otherwise. First, to find average, select cell H2. Enter the formula as is equal to average bracket open large bracket V2 is to G2 bracket 1 2 3 4 5 bracket close and press enter. Then drag from cell H2 up to cell H6 by using the fill handle. To find result, select cell I2. Enter the formula as equal to if bracket open average greater than 50, pass, fail, bracket close and press enter. Then drag cell I2 up to cell I6 by using fill handle. In a worksheet, names are entered in column A and corresponding basic pay is entered in column B. For 30 persons, the first 4 contains the heading and the rest of the rows contains data. Write the steps to obtain in column C, D and E. The HRA, DA and total pay where HRA is 20% of basic pay or rupees 5,000 whichever is less and DA is 25% of basic pay where basic pay is less than 5,000. Otherwise it is 40% of basic pay.
First, to find HRA, select cell C2. Enter the formula as equal to B2 multiplied by 20%. Drag cell C2 up to cell C7 by using fill handle. Next, to find DA, select cell D2. Enter the formula as equal to if bracket B2 less than 5,000, B2 multiplied by 25%, B2 multiplied by 40% bracket close. Drag cell D2 up to cell D7 by using fill handle. Next, to find total pay, select cell E2. Enter the formula as equal to sum bracket open B2 till D2 bracket close. Next, drag cell E2 up to cell E7 using the fill handle. Data is given to calculate semester percentage, internal percentage, difference in percentage and revised internal mark. First, to calculate semester percentage, select cell C3. Enter the formula as equal to B3 divided by 60% or B3 divided by $B $2 into 100. Drag cell C3 up to cell C5 by using fill handle. To find internal percentage, select cell E3. Enter the formula as equal to D3 divided by 40% or D3 divided by $D $2 into 100. Drag cell E3 up to cell E5 by using fill handle. To find difference in percentage, select cell F3. Enter the formula as equal to E3 minus C3. Drag cell F3 up to cell F5 by using fill handle. Thank you.